everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe, I will show you how to make the perfect African drop donuts. I am Rosie. You are welcome to my kitchen. I will be using all-purpose flour or plain flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, room temperature eggs, room temperature milk, melted margarine. You can use butter, you can use oil as well, vanilla extracts, oil to deep fry. You can use any frying oil of your choice. In a bowl, add the melted margarine, add sugar, whisk them together. I use unrefined sugar. You can use any sugar of your choice. Add 3 eggs. You can use more or less. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk them together. Once that is nicely done, I'll put that aside. In a large bowl, place in the sieve and sift the flour. It's always best to sift your flour before using it. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, teaspoon of salt. You can use less salt. Grate in some nutmeg. If you are using the grounded one, you can use teaspoon of that. You can also use other spice like cinnamon. I will be using the zest of 1 lime. You can use lemon zest. You can use orange zest. All you need is just the zest without the white part of it. Adding the zest is totally optional. It's just for flavor. I like the extra flavor that comes from them. Whisk everything together. Next, in a pan, add some oil and start heating up the oil. I'll place a paper towel in a strainer to collect the drop donuts once they are out of the hot oil. To the dry ingredients, add in the wet ones. I'll start by adding in 1 cup of milk. I'm using whole milk. You can use any milk of your choice. Mix it until you get a smooth and nice paste. For this, you want to add the milk gradually until you reach the right consistency. So I'll add more milk and then mix it together. So the paste is not going to be too thick and it's not going to be too light. So at this point it's still thick. So I'm going to add in a little bit more milk. And in total, I use 1.5 cup of milk. This is how you want the consistency to be, light and smooth. I will take out the spatula and we'll start frying it right away. This doesn't need to rest. I will be checking the oil temperature with a skewer. Once you see bubbles around the skewer, that means the oil is hot. You can also drop a little bit of the butter inside the oil to check as well. And I'll be using my hand to scoop it in like so. I will scoop and then push it out with my tongue. You can cut it to any sizes you like. It's totally up to you. And fry them on medium heats. If the oil is too hot, the drop donut is going to cook outside and inside it will be uncooked. So it's best to fry these ones on medium heats. From time to time, move them around with a skewer so they can fry evenly. And you want to fry them until they are about golden brown, not too brown, because they will continue to change color even when they are out of the hot oil. So once they are about this color like so, I'm going to be taking them out of the hot oil and transfer it to that strainer that is lining with paper towel to collect any excess oil from the drop donuts. Clean the oil with a strainer before adding in the next batch, and this is to prevent the crumbs from sticking to them. Scoop the batter in with an ice cream scoop. Fry on medium heat until they are golden brown. The African drop donuts is ready. They smell amazing and they tasted so delicious. Crunching outside and super moist inside. And this will melt in your mouth. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, send me your pictures on Instagram at Life with Rosie. I would love to see how yours came out. Like the video if you enjoyed it and share the video. Follow me if you are not already. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed. I will see you in my next video.